toss your checkbook in a drawer. Stop wondering if there's cash in your wallet, and quit juggling multiple credit cards. There is an easier way to pay, in person, over the phone, or online. The CAT card. It's an unsecured line of credit, so there's nothing to swipe. In fact, you don't even have to keep track of a physical card. Instead, next time you need to buy a part or attachment, pay for a repair or rebuild, or rent equipment, just tell the folks at your CAT dealer or CAT rental store to put it on your CAT card. And set the CAT card as your preferred payment option on parts.cat.com. It'll save you time and hassle on every online order. Wherever you use the CAT card, you can earn 1% rewards on qualifying purchases. Use those rewards on your next purchase at your dealer. Easy peasy. Head on over to catcard.com to apply now.